First, I open my Illustrator and open my drawing file. Now this opacity greater than 2 less than. Now, I make a circle shape. And its sum rotate. Then this shape color off. Now, this copy. Then this path, some stroke it. It's okay? Now again it's copy. This shape color off. Now, yellow color, select. Then I use a pen tool. It's okay, then use a shape builder tool for other side remove. Now I use a pen tool. It is very easy. Now use a shape builder tool and color selection. Now text modified. You can be shift key press and try greater than 2 less than. Now large text can be stroke. Then text color selection, and I use a eyedropper tool. Now, I make a rectangle shape. Its sum rotate. Now it's copy. Then I use a shape builder tool for remove. It's okay? Then it's sum erase. It's okay? Now full logo select. Then this stroke it. Oh, it's some problem. Now click a direct selection tool and it's some modified. It's okay? Now it's 4. It's some rounded. Okay, it is perfect. Now it's some customize. Then I use a path. Okay. Then again select and stroke it. It's some rounded. Now, this shape can be take last layer. Then use a pen tool. Then use a shape builder tool. Now, this color select for black. It's some twacked. Okay, now I use a line segment tool. It's some rotate. Then it's copy. Now, this corner, some rounded. Okay, it's perfect. This video is end, so please subscribe my channel. Bye.